AVA Cinema Remote is perfect for controlling a smart TV, allowing you to tailor a perfect experience for your client's needs. There are IP drivers for the three major brands of pro-install smart TVs: Sony Bravia, Samsung, and LG. Many other brands are supported with IR drivers, searchable by the model. For IP drivers, search by the brand and add IP to the search. After selecting the driver, follow the instructions on this next screen. This is for the Samsung TV IP driver, telling you the three things you need to enable on the TV for this driver to work. Sony and LG have similar requirements. AVA discovers IP devices on the network and lists them here. If your device shows up in this list, you do not need to enter its IP address. Enter the address manually only if your device is not discovered. Otherwise, select the device and tap Next. Samsung TVs require you to confirm control using the Samsung Remote. Then you can add to a room, and the remote can now control the smart TV. There are a few more things that you can do to set up your client's system. For example, when you launch this flow, the TV apps slide shows you all the TV apps available in the driver. The list is a good default, but more than most people need. So, at the top right, tap the Flow menu, then tap Edit Slides. Hide the Apps slide. Before you leave this, consider whether to unhide the Favorites slide. If your client watches broadcast TV stations, you'll want to program their favorite channels. And if your client uses TV apps like Netflix, put their most used apps right on the main screen. Go to Settings, then Flows. Tap the TV flow, then tap Duplicate. Tap the duplicate flow, then tap Rename/Change Icon. Name it for the TV app that you want to launch, like Netflix. And then assign an icon. There are branded icons for some of the most popular TV apps. If there's not an icon for the app, pick a suitable icon from the list. Lastly, tap the flow for the TV app, then tap Edit Launch. Tap Add Step, then Send Command to Device, and then tap the Smart TV to see its commands list. Then add the command for launching the TV app. And now you have a flow icon that turns the TV onto Netflix. Once set up, the Cinema Remote has flow icons for each of the TV apps the customer uses, and a slide with all their favorite channels too. Here's the link for the channel favorites how-to again, and another we think you'll be interested in.